A VPN is a virtual private network. It's a technology used to secure connections to any network. This prevents outsiders from snooping on your personal web traffic and data. Many ISPs and companies sell your data to advertisers or marketers. If you connect to a VPN, your online privacy stays protected. You'll have a safer online journey knowing all prying eyes are kept at bay. Your traffic will be encrypted, so no one can spy on your online activities. No one can see what you are doing. This makes it harder for others, like hackers and governments, to read and intercept your data. Even when connecting to unsecured public Wi-Fi, you don't need to worry about privacy leaks. Installing VPN for phone, you can download from Play Store, and for Windows or Linux, open any browser and type Proton VPN download. After download, open the protonvpn.exe file and install your PC. For free one device you need to create Proton VPN account. After create account, open Proton VPN and sign in with username and password. For free version, you can get only 3 countries and compromise internet speed, or, if you buy their subscription, you can use any countries and faster speed. You can choose any faster interface, or you can choose different country. This my private IP address. Now anything I browsing is secure tunnel, and they will encrypted my all data. You can check your DNS leak test. How to our VPN working? For that, go any browser and type DNS leak test. Now different IP address and ISP is Netherlands. If I disconnect VPN and check again, that will be different. Refresh your browser, now you can see your local ISP. If you think my videos is helpful, please consider subscribe my channel, and you can browsing my channel. There are more like this videos. We can check our network adapter. Go to search bar and type PowerShell, open PowerShell with administrator. And typing this commands. This our Proton VPN private network adapter, and speed is 100 gigabits per second.